What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is the new store where I'm at. I know I said last time it was a new store, but I didn't like that store. They had no audio. Look at this thing. Lots of audio. So that's what we want to do because it's called Anthony's Car Audio Life, not Anthony's Rim Life. Let's go ahead and introduce you to one of my boys who work here, Rami. He made an awesome sale. We're going to tell you what he put in it. He's going to tell you what he did, and we'll go from there. His name is Rami. Let's check him out.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Rami with Car Stereo Warehouse. Had a customer come in today. Has a 2021 Ford Explorer. Just wanted a simple upgrade. Has a factory OEM stereo that he does not want to change out. Just wanted to get better sound. And here's how we did it. This is a perfect example. We went with a 5-channel amp. We're going to upgrade the front and back speakers. We got the two-way 6x9s in the front, coaxial 6.5s in the rear. I'm going to put 112 in the back, being pushed by this 5-channel amplifier. And of course, we're going to use the audio control LC6i. It's going to allow us to retain the factory stereo and give it that good sound that the customer wants. Let's check it out. Alright guys, we got the car pulled in. As you see Miguel already jumped on it, so we're going to watch him do it with the time lapse. Let's go.
Alright, we just watched Miguel finish up that install on the LC6, ran some cables. Now we're going to watch them as they change all 4 speakers.
Alright guys, we just finished up the install on the Explorer. Everything back together, nice and clean, ready to get picked up by the customer. Now we're going to take a listen to it for the first time.
So many bad bitches, they harassing me. They like me because I rap and be with the athletes. Stop asking me, I know they mad at me.
Alright guys, that's the end of it. Listen, we lost some footage. Rami didn't record the install of the amp all the way, so I'm sorry about that, but you got to see the door speakers done, the LOC installed, and kind of how the guys do their work. So that's cool. You got to get introduced to Rami. That's my boy. He'll be in a lot of the videos from here on out. What else we got? We got other stuff coming. You know, we make sales here every day. You guys can see it. I would like to do a tour of the shop so you guys can see what's in here. Amazing stuff. Just to give you an idea here, let me turn the camera around. Like, that's the wheel section. That's all the product. So, yeah. We'll do something like that later. As far as now is, just wanted to get a video out there so you guys know I'm still alive. We're still here and running. But any questions, comments, leave them down below. As always, subscribe, like, share, do it all. Thanks, guys.